All right. On this side here, when you first walk in, we just have a closet with lots of hangers. And there's the door. It's the bathroom. We'll come in here on the other side. Up here, we've got some cupboards. We've got wine glasses and a kettle and cups and plates and bowls and spoons. On the counter here, we've got sponges and tea and coffee. We've got our microwave. Up here, there's nothing. It's just some more space. And down below, we've got our little mini fridge with a freezer. We've got a little compartment here, a garbage and a fire extinguisher. Coming along this way, we've got a mirror. We've got a connecting door in case you had connecting rooms. TV, it says welcome. Little dresser with many little drawers. We've got chairs on our table with another mirror. Going around this way, got a couch which pulls out into a queen sleeper sofa. Got our bedside table with our lamp and our queen size bed. All the thermometers and light switches. There's a nice ceiling fan. Beautiful artwork. If we go over this way, we've got our balcony with a beautiful view. This is the island garden view, so we don't have a pool view, but we are on the very top floor. So let's see if I can figure out how to get out of here. The answer is no, I can't. All right. So on our balcony, we've got 2 chairs and a table, and this is our beautiful view of the island. Oh my goodness. Can't wait till we get our pool view later and we can actually see the beach or the pool. Excited for that. But the parking garage will do. And the bathroom has this sliding door here. You come on in, you've got, figure out the lights. We've got our nice bath and shower with a nice shower head. What kind of shampoo do we got over here? Molly shampoo and body wash and conditioner. It's a really nice shower. Over here, we've obviously got our sink and our garbage, some more storage, beautiful big mirror. We've got body cream and hand soap, same brand. And then in a separate room with this sliding door here, we've got the toilet. So that is our studio room.